Almost finished。陈一凡已经快帮我换好我的那个门，那个什么锁头啊，门把跟锁头。Yeah, almost finished. 等，看一下。哦，好认真的，好认真的脸。哦，我都没有教他。I didn't teach him at all, but he figured it out. Very good, almost done. 太好了，已经快好了。Actually, we got this for free from Lowe's yesterday. 这个不需要，这是放在那个门的，这个不需要，这一个不需要。OK， 你只要把螺丝锁上去就好了。
Last one.
That's right. 就剩下2只螺丝了。帮你压着。
Okay, okay.
对。哇哦，Zachary，你现在真的是我的小帮手哎 ！You are my handy boy。OK， 可以了，换成面的就好了。哒啦啦啦。Okay, my boy just replaced a new doorknob for me. Look at that. Woohoo! Awesome. Zachary, thank you. Thank you, Zachary Pie. Thank you.